Thank you so much, Markus. Hi, everyone. I'm Dirk Hilgenberg, CEO of CARIAD. You know, Herbert and I go back a long way. We met in a manufacturing plant 20 years ago in England. Back then, we had a huge transformation project ahead of us. I realized this strong leader has a vision and persistence. I really like this approach. No wonder we carried out the project successfully. 20 years later, just recently, I got a text message from a former colleague. Wow, guys, you did it once. Now you are doing it again. Yes, here we are again, and we still share the same vision and persistence. And now we are among the leaders of a transformation on, let's say, a somewhat larger scale. We are creating the leading software stack on which tens of millions of cars will operate by 2030. Laying the foundation for the group to tap into new data-driven mobility profit pools. This mission started exactly a year ago. Since then, we have accomplished what many people thought would be impossible. We brought together experts, capabilities, and know-how from Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen into one agile, independent entity. And we have hired over 1,000 international engineers and software developers. Over just 12 months, our now 4,500 colleagues have been working day and night to accomplish a series of major milestones. We've integrated 15 software companies into the CARIAD family to consolidate our skill base. And we have developed the software solution to provide over-the-air updates starting now with the volume segment. I'm talking about our software platform 1.1. You can find that platform in the Volkswagen ID.3, ID.4, and the Audi Q4 e-tron. It enables functional updates at any given time, at any given location, just like on your smartphone. A step change made possible by CARIAD in the closest collaboration with our brands. Just last week, we released the first major update for Volkswagen ID customers. It includes new user experience for the infotainment stack and advanced driver assistance features. The system now reacts even more precisely and better recognize other road users. This will make driving experience even safer and more comfortable. As of this summer, the brand will send over-the-air software updates to the IT family every 3 months. Meanwhile, we have been working on the next evolutionary development step. In 2023, CARIAD will release the premium software stack 1.2 with launches of the electric Porsche Macan and the Audi Q6 e-tron. It will bring a completely new experience to Audi and Porsche vehicles. This platform will feature a new unified infotainment platform based on Android, Automotive, and the third-party App Store, providing you with the access to your favorite entertainment and messaging apps. With 1.2, the first vehicles will be ready to migrate to the all-new Volkswagen Automotive Cloud. What's more to come? We have started on working on a revolutionary new unified and scalable software platform, our software stack 2.0. This is the ultimate game changer that will be introduced in 2025. This software platform will bring VW OS into the world. It is the universal operating system that you will find in all future cars of our group, no matter whether it's an Audi, a Volkswagen, or a Porsche. It allows for maximum development synergies in the group while empowering our brands to differentiate in brand and user experience in their cars. Our software stack 2.0 also includes full level 3 autonomy and is ready for level 4 for individual mobility, meaning that our car can take care of steering. It also provides digital customer experience that will outperform the competition at scale, as well as connectivity to our automotive backend. This enables comprehensive data uploads and downloads from the vehicle to the cloud, a crucial lever for automated driving. We will integrate our Stack 2.0 in Audi's Artemis project for the first time in 2025. Then scale it up to the volume in Volkswagen Trinity project in 2026. By 2030, up to 40 million vehicles from all brands will be operating on our software stacks. The 2.0 solution will therefore be the key to massively tap into new profit pools for the group. Herbert, that's a bigger scope than we tackled 20 years ago. But I'm confident that together with the outstanding teams at the brands, we will shape the leading software stack in the age of new auto. CARIAD will be ready. Let me now dive into what technologically defines our game-changing architecture. There will be 3 layers. Firstly, future-proof hardware. That's cameras, sensors, actuators, and a powerful computing platform. We are reducing dozens of controllers to a new powerful control unit and semiconductor chips, simplifying the architecture massively and decoupling hardware from software. Secondly, we are looking at the software layer that includes our VW OS. As the car will be connected to the cloud, we will be able to keep the car always up to date with the newest features, including applications, functions on demand. And thirdly, we are creating and developing innovative automotive features, applications, and services. These will shape the user experience that millions of customers around the world will enjoy. The car will become your personal mobility companion, a companion enriching your ride with automated driving features, an intelligent personal assistant organizing your trip, or video conferencing on the go. This new unified tech stack will pave the way for Volkswagen to transform into a truly software-driven mobility provider. Our software will create the largest mobile real-time data fleet in the industry. The Volkswagen Group sells around 10 million vehicles a year. That's 10 million data sources, 10 million cars that will migrate to the cloud every year. Data will be the new asset of our group. It opens up enormous opportunities to boost the benefits for customers and brands alike. Let me briefly explain why. Our new platform enables us to analyze data from an unparalleled number of cars on the road. And it enables us to continuously update our fleet with these new features over the air. This ongoing cycle for millions of vehicles is what we call the big loop process. The big loop will change and expand product life cycle of vehicles as we know it today. While for the last decades, the start of production marked the end of the engineering process, it's now just only the beginning. Our Stack 2.0 is ready to transform the business model of the entire group. After point of sale, we will be able to enrich the customer experience in an unprecedented way. As the customer, your car will improve as you use it. It will improve continuously, or if you wish, just temporarily. If you would like to take the car on vacation, simply book more electric range for a few days. If you want to relax on your ride, just download enriched automated driving features and enjoy the ride. As customers pay for these mobility services in and around the car, our brands are able to tap into business models and new revenue streams. In numbers, the new ecosystem will open up the possibility to substantially increase Volkswagen profit margin per car based on connectivity and automated driving. Transforming into a tech company for us means building up competence and boosting our capabilities. By 2025, we aim to develop 60% of software in-house. We want to be a full owner of key software and technology enablers, including big data, security, and AI capabilities. International bolt-on acquisitions will rapidly fill technology gaps. We recently agreed to take over additional teams with several hundred engineers to further expand our coding capabilities. We are also counting on strong partnerships to help us transform. We've teamed up with Microsoft to not only create the Volkswagen Automotive Cloud, but also to establish the toolset for developing automated driving functions. And we are expanding our footprint around the globe. We are already engaged with teams in China and the United States, and we are going to establish subsidiaries in both regions this year. The two markets are key to bringing our software up to speed. We have a significant presence in China with the company Mobility Asia. Today, more than 600 engineers and software developers are catering for Chinese customer expectations towards software, apps, and services. To satisfy the fast-growing customer demand for technology innovation, we will significantly grow this competence base alongside with the engineering workforce of our brands. The US, however, is key to building up core technological capabilities in automated driving and artificial intelligence. Growing our team with expert talent that has experience in automotive startup ecosystems as well as in leading technology companies. As a nucleus, we already started a cloud development hub which is building the Volkswagen Automotive Cloud based in Redmond, Washington. Overall, this is a major endeavor for the future of our industry and our group. We have a clear plan for the future, and an effective setup, and the right skill set. But clearly, it's a team effort. Powered by CARIAD, we are sure that our prestigious brands, loved by millions around the world, will shape the digital customer experience of the new auto for generations to come.